You ever get done with work or whatever and just go home and you're like, oh, I can't wait to relax. Just sit down, do nothing. Just chill out, watch TV, whatever it may be. And then sit there for a couple minutes and you're like, never mind, I can't do this. What happened to me today? I got done with a long day at work. Sat down to relax and decided I couldn't handle it. So, here I am. At the Quemahoning Dam. I don't know what I'm going to do. I only got like about an hour of daylight left. The sun's basically already gone. It should be over there somewhere. But it is nowhere to be found. But like, look at this. Sometimes whenever the water's low, you can walk along the bank down here, which I was kind of hoping for. Because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where I want to go, what I'm going to do here. But it's just pretty, and I haven't been here in a while, so I figured why not stop by, see what's going on down here at the dam. So here I am. Probably just going to take some random videos, some random stuff, and then see what happens. So if you're seeing this, apparently it turned out pretty good. Or something. I had fun at least. Maybe drive around to a couple different spots while I still can, while it's still light out. I don't know. It's an adventure, right? Yeah. I love being outside. Another thing worth pointing out is, as I climb this hill, it did rain pretty heavily this afternoon, this evening, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. So everything's very green, which is why after a nice rain is my favorite time to hike. Well, I'm not even really hiking. I just want to be outside. So we're just going to be outside for as long as we can before it gets dark. So, go back to the car, drive a little bit farther, see what we come upon next. Where, oh where, could I be now? Still at the dam, the reservoir, whatever you like to call it. I got a picnic table and a little park grill over there. There's people in a canoe or a kayak over that way. But, here we are. I found a dock. So of course I'm gonna go on it. There's just some people hanging out over there in the distance, doing a little fishing. Yeah. So again, just a random little trip outside. Very simple. Little drive around, some fresh air, listen to some music, listen to the birds. Yeah. Nothing super exciting. Just some pretty sights. On this kind of gloomy post-rain evening. But hey, I wouldn't have it any other way. So, on to the next place. So basically there's people showing up to fish and things. So, what I'm gonna do instead is just go for a nice little scenic cruise on the back roads. See what kind of cool things I can see. Good views and whatnot. So, come along this last little leg of our journey, our adventure. a little side quest, and see what we come across, because I have no idea. And I say that's just gonna about do it here for today. Where one adventure ends, a new one begins. Just like when one day ends, a new day will begin. With this beautiful sunset. I mean, you can't really see the sun very much back there, but it's there. So with this day over, this adventure over, tomorrow brings more new exciting things for us to see. So I'll see you on the next one.